Hey guys, today's your day. You will see a super tool that is free on Microsoft Store itself, not in a shady place. This tool will enable you in a God mode. It's called WinToys, like Windows Toys. Get it? It's this one right here with these tiny thingies. Hit get, wait for it to be installed, and you will thank me later. And now it's fully downloaded. We're gonna hit open. Hit yes, get rid of the Microsoft Store thingy right there. And now let's wait. Experience Windows, keep every day. I'm gonna skip this one because we are smart by nature. And now here you have your system information. First of all, that you see right here. Go to apps. Now this part is what I absolutely love about this one. You can uninstall apps, sometimes even apps that are native on Windows. And this is something that a lot of us have been looking for. And let me see for Cortana. Ah, beautiful Cortana. Uninstall. Boom, Cortana gone. Now, I don't have anything against Cortana, but I never use it. Why would I have it there? There is a lot more that you can do here. For example, you went through all stuff that you want to get rid of your computer. Sometimes there are apps that you installed and are really hard to get rid of them, even after you delete them and do all that. Just sometimes they refuse to be removed from your computer. And this thing here does the job. I don't really have a lot of more apps that I wanted to get rid of except for Cortana right now. But for example, Xbox Game Bar. Let's say you want to get rid of it. Boom, gone. The other Xbox. Boom, gone. So these are just beautiful. Now let's go to services. Here you have all the running services. You can check for stopped and you can go for Microsoft services themselves and you can see all of them running. You can go for third-party only services that are still running. And for example, this one is stop. Adobe Update Service. Let's say I don't want it. I hit stop and now it is stop. And right here, you can check stopped, automatic, manual, disabled. These are my automatic that start on the beginning of the machine start. And as you see, this one is already stopped. Apple mobile device, for example, I don't want it. And I hit stop and so on and so on. You can go through all of them. Here's where you can boost stuff. Ultimate Performance Power Plan. Hit on. You can hit this tiny thing right here. And it takes you to performance, but instead you just click this toggle and it does its own thing. If you have a good GPU on your computer, for example, or a decent one, you hit this one right here. And virtualization-based security, I don't really use that. Here are your startup apps, and you can see all of them that start up with your computer. In my case, I don't really have a lot of them because I already turned them off, and so on and so on. Gaming settings, virtual settings, activity history that you don't want to keep or you can keep. It is just beautiful. Health. This checks the health of your PC. Drive optimization, storage sense, which automatically cleans up temporary files and system app files. In my case, I want to turn it on because I don't want them. You can repair your PC after you have a blue screen or failed updates or freezes and all that. Declutter means you can get rid of junk files, for example, junk files here. And I'm going to do all of them because I don't really need any of them. And it's 8.5 gigabytes. 8.5 gigabytes that are just taking space on my computer. Why do I need that? And right now it's just deleting it slowly. You can delete File Explorer history. I don't need it either. Microsoft Store history. I don't need that either. DNS, this resets your domain name servers and all that other good stuff. And you can do a system restore, which you can do on your main computer. Here is the updates. You can hit right here. And takes you straight to your update screen if you don't want to go through the settings and all that stuff. I don't need to do updates, but I'm just telling you what you have here. Restart the driver, your GPU, if you're having glitches or problems with your display. Usually integrated displays are worse. You can hit restart the display driver and it will bring it back to normal. Here are the tweaks. Now, there's one thing that I really like right here. But first, let's go through what you can do here with the tweaks. Show this PC, show recycle bin, and all that are not that hard to find on system, but you have them right here. Wallpaper quality, You can lower it if your computer is not that fast. I would leave it at 56. I don't really need it better than that. Start menu, that's in your search results and all that good stuff. And here at system, we have something called God mode. Click this one on, give it a second. It will show a small settings icon here on your desktop, and it's this thing right here. I'm gonna put it here right on the bottom so we can see it. Click this one, and now you have controls that before you had to go to multiple windows throughout Windows, but now you have them all in absolutely one place. This is just beautiful. You have the troubleshooting, taskbar navigation, user accounts, firewall, Windows Defender, folders management, system itself for management, sound, speech, storage, add or remove programs, power optimization, internet options, indexing options. Every single setting on your computer that you can think of now will be on this one right here that this just created after clicking God mode. Now, I wouldn't use that word God mode, but God forgive me at this point. And you have more and more clipboard history, print screen skipping, spotlight images, ads. You can get rid of these fun facts and stuff when you lock your screen. I get rid of it. Tips and suggestions, get rid. Welcome screen experience. I don't want it. Finish setting up your device. I want that part because sometimes I plug in devices that are plug and play and require a small kind of entry point of software installation. I don't want the telemetry, for example, on my Windows. Boom, gone. Error reported. I don't want that either. It's just resources that I can do myself. Camera off and on indicator will show here on the bottom, and this is just, in my opinion, an extremely useful app that I think everybody that uses Windows should have on their computer. Link will be down in the description. As I said, this is available on the Microsoft Store. It is free, and it's called WinToys. And with that said, I hope you learned something from this video, and let me know in the comments if you get stuck somewhere with this app and you want to know more about this app. We'll see you next time. Bye!